Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to pin conversation on Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to pin a certain conversation on Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. Now after opening your Viber app guys, on this interface, in order to pin a certain conversation on Viber, over here on the chat boxes, you'll be required to tap and hold on the certain conversation which you want to pin on Viber. And after tapping and holding on the conversation, this kind of drop box will appear, or drop down menu will appear, where you can see the pin to top option available for us just below the mark has on it. So let's do that again. Tap and hold on the conversation which you want to pin, and there is the pin to top just below the mark has on it. So tap on pin to top, and that conversation or that chat will be pinned on Viber. And guys, this is how to pin conversation on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.